Alright guys, so today let's understand the standard pipeline for uh, NLP, natural language processing. Okay, so in this short video we'll try to understand what's the standard pipeline for a natural language processing. Starting off with the data acquisition, where we start with acquiring data. Basically we collect data, be it from public data or from web scraping, whatever. So after acquiring the data, we then need to clean our data, whether it's text form or whatever. So mainly it's in text form, so we need to clean the data. So for that, we could use different methods like Unicode normalization. We could regular expressions to collect different dates or whatever from that and clean the data accordingly. We could also use spell checkers, and there are so many other ways in which we could clean the data. Okay, so then comes the main part, which is pre-processing. So in pre-processing step, we make the text or the cleaned data suitable for the next step to consume it and apply the feature engineering methods, or the which is basically converting the data into numeric vectors. Okay, so for that purpose we use different methods like tokenization, stemming, lemmatization, part of speech tagging, numeric entity recognition, and we use various other methods for this pre-processing step. I've just talked about different what are these things, what is tokenization, lemmatization, stemming, part of speech tagging, name entity in the previous lecture. If you haven't watched that, I would recommend you to watch that as well. So yeah, we use these different methods to pre-process the data, which is being then consumed by the feature engineering step, where different numeric vector conversion methods are being used to convert the pre-processed data into numeric vectors, and that is then being consumed by the model. So yeah, that's how it works. So in the next part, which is feature engineering, or we can also call as vectorization of the input. Okay, uh, in this process we uh, transform the data in a text form into vectors, into numerical vectors form. Okay, so we can use different approaches. Here we have deep learning approach or neural approach. We have also traditional approach. Traditional approach includes one hot encoder, bag of words or bag of n-grams, or term frequency, or inverse document frequency, TF-IDF. So we use these sort of traditional approaches in order to extract or for feature engineering. And we can also use neural approaches, which are most widely which are most widely used. For example, continuous bag of word, word to vector, glow, fast text from Google, from Facebook. So we use these approaches to transform that input into vectors form. Okay, so after vectorization of our input, the next approach is we need to build the model. Okay, so here in building model we have again three different type of approaches. One is heuristic based model, where we use lexicon based sentiment analysis or wordnet or example of that. Then we have machine learning models. Examples include naive Bayes, SVM, support vector machine, or hidden Markov model, conditional random fields, and there are more uh, examples of it as well. Then we have for deep learning models like recurrent neural network or convolutional neural network, CNN, or long short term memory, LSTM, or GRU, gated recurrent unit. So these are some of the methods or models which we can use in order to create NLP or natural language processing model. Okay, after the model has been created or built, The next step is evaluation step, where we evaluate the accuracy of the model. Okay, so in that for that, for each specific model or for each specific method, we have different accuracy. We could use different accuracy or evaluation method. Like for classification, we could use accuracy or precision, recall, F1 score, or AUC. For sequence labeling, we could use FL score. For information retrieval, we could use MRR or MAP. And for text summarization, we could use ROG. For regression, or like stock market predictions, temperature prediction, we could use root mean square, which is a famous one, or mean absolute percentage error. So we could use all these type of methods in order to evaluate our method. And then if our accuracy is good, uh, we would deploy our model. And if not, we again go to pre-processing and do the system again and again till we get required or satisfied results from that. So yeah, that's all for this short roadmap, or you can say just standard pipeline to NLP. Hope you got the idea. So see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning and keep improving. Thank you.